सब्सक्राइब कीजिए नेहरा क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome back to our shell scripting session number 4. My name is Vikas Nehra and you are watching Nehra classes. Guys, in today's session we will learn how to pass the arguments in a bash shell script. Actually, you can pass arguments whenever you start any script in Linux. And the arguments are stored in the default system variables, and the variables are 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are the system defined variables which are already reserved for the arguments. Means these variables are already defined and the user cannot define them, as I have told you in the previous sessions. So let's learn how can we use these variables and how can we pass the arguments in a bash shell script. So first of all, let me open the script file in the VI editor, and after that I will remove everything from this file. So there is already mentioned hashbang /bin/bash, so there is no need to write it again. After that we can use the echo command, echo and $1 for first variable, $2 for second, $3, $4. Since I only want to pass the 4 arguments, so I am using the first 4 variables. Then single inverted comma, single quote, greater than symbol, and after that we have to mention echo, and now we will call the variables echo $1, $2, $3, $4, like this. I will close the single quote and save the script. Let me save it. So we have saved the script. Now how can we execute this script by using the arguments? So let's go on the right side of the screen. Here we will first execute the script, and before pressing the enter we will pass the argument. So argument can be anything. Let us suppose hi, how are you. So if I will press enter, then this argument will be passed and the script will execute. So the script will show us the result like this: hi, how are you. So in this method, in here I have passed the argument and we have used 4 variables for that, and these were the system reserved variables. Here hi is stored. This hi is stored in this first variable, how is stored in the second, r is stored in the third, and u question mark is stored in the fourth variable. So in this way we can execute the script, or we can pass some different argument. Like this, we can mention the names here: Tom, Vikas and John, Nehra, like this. So it will show you those arguments which have you passed during the execution of the script. As I have told you that system is using the reserved variables for the arguments. So the variables are starting from number 1, 2, 3 and so on. So what is the default variable 0 stores? Means for what the 0 variable is reserved. Actually that is reserved for the script name. So how can we call that variable? So let us see. Let's go on the left side of the screen, go in the insert mode, and here we will mention the variable that is $0, like this, and we will save the script again. Escape :w. Now on the right side of the screen we will execute it, and we will mention hi, how are you, like this, and press enter. This time you will be able to see the name of the script as well, and that is happening because we have defined the variable 0 in the script. Actually, the variable 0 stores the name of the script. So by this method we can display the name of the script as well. Now I will teach you how can we pass arguments using arrays in any script file. To use the arrays for passing the arguments, we will open the script file in any editor like VI editor, and here we will define the variable first like this. So let me mention here args. This variable I am going to use for passing the arguments using the arrays, and we will define this variable like this. We will mention the bracket, and inside bracket we will use double inverted commas, and there we will mention $@. So this is we are doing for the arrays, and in the next line we will use the echo operator to call the values. Echo $, then the middle bracket, and inside the middle bracket we will use the variable name args, and then the square bracket like this, and the first array, that is 0. After that we will call the second value. We will follow the same process which have I shown you in the previous sessions when I have shown you the method of defining the arrays. args, and in the middle bracket we will mention here 1, and in the similar fashion we will use for the second array. For the second argument, let me copy and paste. Like this. Here we will mention 2, then we will mention here 3, and then we will mention here 4, and we will save the file. Now we will execute it. So you should have a look at the right side of the screen, and here we will mention hi, how are you, and press enter. So here in the first line of the output you can see that the script name is also there, and the arguments which we have mentioned in the command hi, how are you. So it has printed all the details including the name of the script file. We are getting this output since we have used echo $0, $1, $2, $3, and 4 in this script file. So because of this line we are getting this first output, and the second output which we are getting hi, how are you, that we are getting because of the arrays, and here we are not getting any script name. So calling the variable 0 using the arrays doesn't give us the name of the script, means we can use the variable 0 for the script name only without arrays. Inside arrays we cannot use it, so there is no meaning of mentioning this. So we can remove it, and then also we will get the same output. So let me edit the file one more time, and let me erase it. Now I will save it again, and I will again execute this file, and again we will get the same output. So using the arrays to define to pass the arguments, we cannot use this default variable 0. Now we can call all these values of the arguments, we can call all the arguments, we can pass all the arguments without using this. So I will show you how can we do that. So let me edit the file one more time. So first I am going to comment this line here because we are not going to use it, and after that we can use echo $@ to call all the values. Here we have defined the variable, and now we are calling the variables. So all the arguments which are saved in this will be shown on the output if we use $@ here. Let me save the script, and now I will execute it. So you should have a look at the right side of the screen, and again we are going to use the same command, script.sh hi how are you. So here it is printing all the details. Let me comment the first line as well on the script. So again I'm going to comment this first line and save this file. Now if I will execute the script, then I will get the result for only hi how are you, like this. So we can call all the arguments by using the $@ with echo. Now in case we want to see the number of passed arguments at the output, so what can we do for that? For that we can use one more line in the script like this. If we want to display the argument numbers, we can mention here $# and we can save the file, and on the right side you should have a look at the output where I'm going to execute the script again, and here you can see that the passed arguments in this script are 4, since we have used the 4 arguments at the input when we executed the script. So in this way we can know the number of passed arguments. Like this, whatever we will mention on the input at the command during the execution of the script, that will be printed using the arguments. We can use the names or we can use anything like this: Vikas, Nehra, Tom, Max. So whatever we will mention, that will be printed here. Or we can mention here, please like this video. You should like this video if you like my hard work, and I'll request you, I will make a request by using the arguments like this: please subscribe our channel. So guys, that's it for the today's session. Hope you would have enjoyed the session. If you like it, then do share it with your friends and colleagues, and if you are new on this video, then please subscribe us and turn on the bell notification for the more videos. I will bring more videos on the shell scripting and I'll complete the series. See you in any other session. Till then, bye bye, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.